Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to strike through text in Photoshop. Create a new layer, type tool, Arial black text size, choose your text size, choose text color, black color, click anywhere and type any text. OK. Then double click again, select text, go to Window tab, character checkmark to this character panel, then show this character panel. And now see this strike through. That's it. Again double click, use only select text. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, share and subscribe to my